marry. Like to marry. Eh?
Like to marry.
I like to marry.
Marry who? Honorable.
No, I'm already married.
I like to marry you, not remarry you even.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Good morning. Honorable is in the house. Madam, how are you? It's a Friday.
Honorable.
Oh, you get technology for us, happy.
Honorable.
Stress yourself.
How you go like, you know say you get one shoe where they rain now, and this shoe, if you buy me this shoe, I feel and take myself selfie.
So, I don't want to take consignment.
I not take concern you. No be technology, but that's where they move, where they progress.
Technology. Must you all see buy anything you see in the
Honorable,
market?
you need to see this video. You need to see this video. Say you go, no say, you will be old school, you don't old finish. Watch the video of how this selfie shoe, they make way for inside other people's house.
Selfie shoe.
Selfie shoe.
Honorable will buy it for me.
Selfie shoe.
Is now more important than ever. Selfie sticks have helped get a better shot, but at the inconvenience of carrying it. At Ms. Moose, we understand the importance of looking great without giving up comfort.
Stick is a great solution to a problem, but in turn, it has created a new problem. This was the opportunity for Ms. Moose to create an even greater solution.
Introducing the selfie shoes. No matter where you go, you'll always be camera ready. Just insert your phone into the port, raise it to the perfect angle, and click the internal button with the tap of your toe to take the photo.
To get the best range of angles, we have also added a docking port on each shoe, so you can get a photo from either your right or your left shoe. The great thing about the selfie shoes is you no longer need to use your arm, so now both hands are free to be in the photo.
We're all super pumped about the selfie shoes. With wearable devices on the horizon, the possibilities are endless. We're working on a charging functionality as well as making the selfie shoes water resistant.
Look, let me tell you. That shoe will not sell in Nigeria, talk of Africa.
Now you they cause
How many of us they athletic to say we won't put our phone for shoe, raise it up, say they take it? How many of us they that athletic? How many of us they exercise to say we won't do it? It will not sell in this part of the country. So let them just sell it and buy their thing over there.
But this will not be madness, Honorable, because they forget stick for selfie. Now shoot for selfie, you raise your leg.
Yeah, even
up.
think
This
say
is
they
not
go do
madness.
something where you go feel fold your selfie stick.
My dear,
to
you said you
compact
have to
size.
set it up.
Because now I know they too use my selfie stick because today carry her for
it
bag.
be like walking stick.
It be like walking
And it's like stupidity. Say you want big and stick, they take selfie. As all of us are talking maturely now, as in we're talking together. It's not good.
It's good.
We
Thank
put
you,
something
my
on
dear.
ground, we chip in technology, all of us talk.
We collectively we agree on
Mini princess, you know, say sometimes pikin when I know they teach well, they show. And they talk, contribute, they tell me say e not good. And they follow you fight before.
No,
I just they ask you question.
Answer
I
the
they
question.
follow you fight before.
Yes or
My
no?
princess,
What I'm
princess.
trying to
You
say,
don't
what
get
I'm trying to say.
that
Where do you they
princess.
No,
talk?
be say make we live in peace.
Yeah.
Must
Which
we quarrel?
peace?
Where do you now?
I follow you quarrel.
Okay, but now I talk anything where they bad. That's more good
I
live
follow
in
you
peace.
quarrel.
You don't do
Boy, I
that.
talk anything where they bad.
Please,
Madam.
please, oh,
Madam,
honorable.
take it easy, take it
As I sit down, they look you. You know, she say we not fight. Now beg, now
No,
beg
no,
you.
I follow you
I
fight.
beg, oh. You know, say I did that time of the month where everything they cool and calm.
Honorable. I hear say you want carry number 5 as wife bring and come inside this house. You better make sure say the person they bring in name na look more. Make it no work now just they look. Make it no
Only
come
God
talk.
know where you get that sauce from.
Make your own name be look more. Make it just they look.
When
Make
I
it not do
bring
anything.
when I
to come.
bring you come inside, others no complain the way they complain. How come you will be? What is it?
Number 4.
Number me. Oh no. Lie. I jump and pass it.
Waiting
Honorable,
there.
the
What is
25
the issue on ground?
$25.3 billion.
Oil money.
Where don't come up from inside NNPC account and ECA excess crude accounts. Now we don't see how we will take get them back. What do you know people they do for that one?
You don't talk and finish now. Don't they see how we take get them back?
What do you know people they do how?
Hey, now the necessary bodies go, the legislators, if not the government, if not the federal government, the Mr. President, they go, no, they will look into the matter, make sure say the money come back. That money not be small money. 23, what you call it?
$25.3 billion.
$25.3 billion. Not even naira. Hey, that money is big. That's enough to serve us for 2 years as a country.
And as a household, uncle.
I beg, we don't come up for this time because me, I don't dey tire. I beg, take me go old school video, make I even dance. At least come out every bad spirit.
It's true. It's true. Let us dance.
Come out every bad spirit.
Everything where you chop.
Every bad spirit, come out it.
Let us dance.
Come out every bad spirit. From
Where's the music?
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.